Hi everyone, myself Keerthana and my teammates Sreedhar and Teja are here with you guys today on the topic chatbots for our IR project. So let's start on with the basics of what actually the chatbots are, how they work and where they are used. What exactly makes up a chatbot? Chatbots are digital tools that simulate human conversation primarily through the text. So now let's see what are the main elements to a chatbot. The first main commonly used elements are the AI powered automated conversations and programmable logic. Chatbots use artificial intelligence so they can understand and respond to the human language. This is what makes them feel like they're actually listening. Next one, the automated conversations are something where they can handle tons of conversations at once and reply instantly, which is like super convenient for us. The third is the programmable logic element where the chatbots follow setted rules and logic to make sure they're giving the right responses and staying on to the track. Now let's look at some practical uses for the chatbots. They are most commonly used in these three main areas, that is the customer service, information retrieval and lead generation. Firstly, in the customer service, these chatbots help to answer the questions, solve problems right away, making customers happier and freeing up human agents for bigger issues. Chatbots can also fetch information from the databases or websites quickly, providing the users with instant answers to their questions. They also make the data more accessible and streamline information retrieval processes. This is how it is included as a practical use in the information retrieval. When it comes to the lead generation, chatbots assist in capturing potential customer information, qualifying leads, and even scheduling the appointments. This helps the businesses to automate the parts of their sales funnel, making it easier for generating the leads and maintaining the business more. Chatbots aren't just in one field, they're popping up everywhere. So now let's see how they are applied in different industries. Here's a quick look of how they are included in the e-commerce, healthcare, finance and education. They recommend products and help in the purchases and answer questions when it comes to the e-commerce, but also when it comes to the healthcare industry, they also help in scheduling the appointments, collecting the patient's information and giving the basic health tips. They answer to the financial questions, manage accounts and even suggest some investments for the finance industry. And also for the education, chatbots can also provide tutoring, answering the questions, offering the personalized learning for the students and many more. So here, not only in these particular industries, but the chatbots are also very useful and are being applied in more other industries too. So to put it in a conclusion, to overall what is the basic of the chatbots is that they have become an essential tool across various sectors, providing the automated AI driven assistance that enhances the customer's experiences, streamline processes and even contributing to the learning. Whether it is the customer support, information retrieval, or educational tutoring, chatbots are transforming how we interact with the digital platforms. Now I'm gonna pass on this to the Sreedhar to dive into the deep details of what is the role of information retrieval in chatbot and etc.
Hi, this is Sreedhar Reddy. Now I am going to explain about role of information retrieval in chatbots. So information retrieval is essential for chatbot functionality as it enables chatbots to understand user queries and retrieve relevant information. IR equips chatbots with the ability to analyze user input and process it into meaningful data by identifying the user's intent and key terms. This involves techniques such as natural language processing, where chatbots decipher the meaning behind user queries. After understanding the query, the chatbot uses its knowledge base such as databases and documents to pull relevant data, which is then ranked and presented based on accuracy and context. Chatbots utilize IR to produce concise and personalized responses by following a sequence. query understanding, data retrieval, and response generation. This enhances the efficiency and relevance of information delivered to users, helping chatbots provide accurate answers for a wide range of inquiries. IR-driven chatbots significantly improve user satisfaction and engagement by offering timely and contextually appropriate information. Now, going on to the next slide. Now I am going to explain the process of chatbot interactions. The interaction between users and chatbots occurs in four key stages. One, user input; second, natural language processing; third, response generation; and fourth, output delivery. First, the user provides input through text or voice commands, which forms the initial step of communication with the chatbot. The chatbot then replies NLP to interpret the user's intent, extracting relevant information that guides the response. Through NLP, the chatbot not only identifies the meaning but also recognizes entities like names, dates, and specific terms, enhancing its ability to comprehend complex queries. Following interpretation, the chatbot generates a response based on the input and its programmed logic, ensuring that the answer is both accurate and engaging. Finally, the chatbot delivers this response to the user in a natural conversational tone, completing the interaction cycle. This structured approach allows chatbots to provide clear, relevant, and contextually sound responses to users, making the interaction more seamless and user friendly. Now, moving on to the next slide. Now, I am going to explain about evaluation metrics for IR in chatbots. Evaluating a chatbot's response in information retrieval involves assessing its accuracy and relevance using key metrics like precision, recall, and the F1 score. Precision measures the proportion of responses that are relevant, indicating how often the chatbot provides accurate information. High precision shows that the chatbot returns mostly useful information. Recall assesses the chatbot's ability to retrieve all relevant information, ensuring it does not miss critical data. A high recall score signifies that the chatbot is thorough in its response retrieval. Now, the final one, the F1 score, combines precision and recall to give a balanced measure of the chatbot's effectiveness, especially in cases where both accuracy and completeness are important. Other metrics include mean average precision, normalized discounted cumulative gain, and reciprocal rank, which consider the order and relevance of the retrieved data. Together, these metrics provide a robust framework to analyze and improve a chatbot's information retrieval performance. Moving on to the next slide, now I am going to explain the architecture of chatbots, how it works. Chatbot architecture consists of four main components. First one is natural language processing, and second one is dialogue manager, and the third one is knowledge base, and the final one is response generator. So let's go through each one of these. NLP is responsible for interpreting user input, recognizing intent, and extracting key information, forming the foundation for understanding interactions. The dialogue manager organizes the conversation flow, selecting appropriate responses and guiding interactions based on contextual relevance, ensuring coherence in multi-step dialogues. The knowledge base stores domain-specific information, including facts, rules, and frequently asked questions that the chatbot uses to provide informed responses. The response generator creates responses based on the chatbot's programming and knowledge base, ensuring that answers are relevant and engaging. This architecture allows chatbots to manage complex interactions and provide accurate information, enhancing the user experience through structured and logical response mechanisms. Now moving on to the next slide. Now I am going to explain about retrieval models in chatbots. Chatbots rely on three main retrieval models. First one is vector space models, second one is probabilistic models, and third one is neural retrieval models. Now vector space models represent text as vectors in a multi-dimensional space, enabling the chatbot to compare similarity between user queries and potential responses by analyzing word vectors. This allows the chatbot to provide responses based on the closeness of vector representations. Probabilistic models apply statistical calculations to assess the likelihood of a response being relevant based on the input, enhancing the chatbot's ability to rank responses by probability. Neural retrieval models use neural networks to learn complex relationships between user queries and responses. By training on extensive data sets, these models capture subtle nuances in language, making them adept at understanding contextual meaning and generating precise responses. Together, these models enable chatbots to retrieve and deliver more relevant, contextually appropriate answers. Now, my friend Teja will continue with the next slides.
Hi, this is Yashasai. I'm about to explain about the benefits of implementing the chatbots. Implementing chatbots offers several compelling benefits for businesses, particularly in enhancing customer support and overall operational efficiency. First, chatbots provide 24/7 availability, ensuring that customers can get assistance at any time of the day or night. This is especially valuable for businesses with a global customer base or for those that want to offer continuous support without needing human agents to be constantly available. Second, chatbots offer scalability. They can handle a high volume of inquiries simultaneously, which is difficult for human agents to manage, especially during peak times. This means businesses can ensure that no customer query goes unanswered, providing faster response times even as the number of interactions grows. Another significant benefit is cost reduction. By automating routine customer service tasks, businesses can reduce the need for large customer support teams, leading to a lower labor cost and more efficient operations. Chatbots can handle simple queries, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. Finally, chatbots improve the user experience. They offer quick, accurate responses and can provide personalized recommendations based on the user preferences or past interactions. This level of convenience and tailored service leads to greater customer satisfaction, which can ultimately foster customer loyalty and positive brand perceptions. In summary, implementing chatbots not only streamlines operations but also enhances user experience, scales supports, and reduces costs, making it a powerful tool for businesses looking to stay competitive. Moving on to the next slide, we have chatbots and natural language processing. Chatbots powered by natural language processing use advanced techniques to understand and interact with users in a way that mimics human conversation. NLP is essential for transforming raw text into meaningful data, enabling chatbots to effectively interpret and respond to user inputs. The first crucial step is text processing, where NLP breaks down and analyzes the structure and meaning of the text. This involves parsing the sentences, identifying grammar and syntax, and understanding word relationships. By doing so, chatbots can accurately interpret user input, whether it is a simple query or a complex query. Next, intent recognition is a key function of NLP. It helps chatbots understand the underlying purpose behind a user's message, whether a user is asking a question, making a request, or providing feedback. NLP enables the chatbot to accurately determine the intent behind the words. This allows the chatbot to respond appropriately, providing answers, offering help, or acknowledging feedback. Next one is entity extraction. Entity extraction is another critical aspect of NLP. Here, the chatbot identifies specific pieces of information known as entities within the user input. This could include names, dates, location, or product names. Extracting these entities helps the chatbot understand the context of the conversation so it can provide more relevant and personalized responses. Finally, the response generation allows the chatbot to create human-like answers based on its understanding of the input. Using NLP techniques, chatbots generate responses that are not only factually accurate but also engaging and naturally sounding. This makes interactions feel more conversational and less mechanical, improving the overall user experience. In essence, NLP enables chatbots to process, understand, and respond to user input in a way that mimics human communication, making them much more effective and intuitive for users. Moving on to the next slide, which deals about the future of chatbot technology. The future of chatbot technology is incredibly exciting, driven by ongoing advancements in AI, NLP, and integration with other emerging technologies. As this innovation evolves, chatbots will become even more powerful, efficient, and capable of offering high personalized experiences. One of the most significant areas of growth is advancements in AI. As AI continues to improve, Chatbots will gain a deeper understanding of human language, including its nuances, context, and emotional undertones. This will enable chatbots to engage in more natural, fluid conversation with users. NLP techniques will evolve to help chatbots not only comprehend complex language patterns but also generate more accurate and contextually appropriate responses, making human interactions feel human like. Another key trend is integration with other technologies. In the future, chatbots will no longer be limited to text based interactions. They will seamlessly integrate with voice assistants, virtual reality, and the Internet of Things. This will allow users to interact with chatbots across various devices and platforms. For example, a chatbot might help you navigate through a virtual store in a VR environment or control IoT enabled devices in your home through voice commands. The interconnectedness of these technologies will create a more immersive and intuitive user experience. Moreover, increased personalization will be a major focus. As chatbots gather more data about user preferences, behaviors, and interactions, they will be able to tailor responses and recommendations on much deeper level. This will lead to more personalized experiences where chatbots can anticipate needs, suggest products or services based on past behavior, and even adapt their tone or style of communication. Personalized interactions foster stronger customer loyalty and satisfaction as users feel understood and valued. In summary, the future of chatbot technology is set to redefine the way we interact with the machines. With advancement in AI, deeper integrations with other technologies, and more personalized experiences, chatbots will become an even more essential part of our daily lives, enhancing convenience, efficiency, and engagement. In conclusion, chatbots are transforming how we access information, interact with businesses, and automate everyday tasks. With advancements in AI and NLP, they are becoming more accurate, intelligent, and capable of offering personalized experiences. As these technologies continue to evolve, chatbots will play an even larger role in our daily lives, streamlining processes and enhancing convenience across various industries. Their ability to provide instant support and improve user experiences will make them an essential tool for businesses and consumers alike. Thank you for your time and attention.